This is the family farm where I grew up. I've been here for a little over 30 years. We got into the drag line originally because we wanted to get away from the compaction, go to no-till. I saw the need for an event where we can bring the industry together, see the actual manure out in the field, how does it work, and thanks to the state for giving us the credits for the manure haulers. Really glad to have you all out. Looks like it should be a fun day.
How many people that don't haul food processing residuals haul dairy manure where either the wash water from the milk tank or the foot bath for the dairy cows goes into the manure? I hate to tell you, you're hauling food processing residual waste. Those are both food processing residuals. They end up in the manure. Therefore, the manure is no longer manure, it's actually food processing residuals.
Thank you for helping to make the Hoover Manure Expo a success. We really appreciate your contribution to the industry.